Hello and welcome to Horizon Collaborate tutorial. In this video, I'll be going over the key and important features on the desktop app. First, let's start by logging in. You should have already been provided your login details from the service team, but if not, please contact us at 0800 038 9345. You may also find it useful to click on Remember Password and sign in automatically. This will help you get your day started just a bit quicker. Now that we are logged in, you'll see on the top left hand side your name as well as a customizable photo. Just below that you can also see your status. This will let others know your current status, be it red for busy / on call, orange for away and green for available / active. Let's take a look at the dial pad. This is where you'll be making calls where the recipient is not already stored in your contacts or company directory. To dial someone, simply type the numbers with your keyboard. Or alternatively, you can use the mouse to dial the number as well. You can also copy and paste the number from a website, document or email. Simply copy, head back over to the Horizon client and paste. Pressing the middle button will dial the number through your desktop client. If you have a headset and a microphone, you'll be able to use that, or alternatively, you can press the handset icon to dial the number through your desk phone. If the person you're trying to call is also a part of Horizon Collaborate, you can click the video call button to start a video call. Let's take a look at the chat history page. Heading over here, you'll see all your messages and they are ordered in date and time. Your most recent message should be on the top. Double clicking here will open the message in full. You can see in the top right hand side I have a few options such as join room, call, call from handset and screen share. This is a massive help when working on projects as we're able to communicate and work together effectively without leaving the desk. You'll also see a few tabs here. All history will pull up all of your previous messages. Deleting history will delete your history. There are sometimes a few other options such as seeing messages from yesterday and last week. We currently don't have these as me and Darren have only spoken today. On the call history page, you'll be able to see a variety of information about previous calls, such as if the call was inbound or outbound, the number that called, and the name of the person if he or she was saved into your contacts. To identify if a call is inbound or outbound, you'll notice a small arrow next to the number. If the arrow is facing towards the right, then it was a call made to that number, and if the arrow is facing towards the left, then that was a call coming into your telephone system. Continuing, you may notice some calls are in red. This simply tells you that the call was missed. This is really useful as it allows you to give your customers a call back with just a few clicks. Heading over to the voicemail page, this is where you'll see all your voicemails. Double clicking will let you play the message. So I'm just going to give it a play now. And then clicking on the three dots will let you delete, save, mark as new or play. If you want to call back one of these numbers, simply right click, call, and you can either call their extension or their direct dialing number. The contacts page is where you can have quick access to contacting regular customers or important members of staff. At first you'll see your contacts page is blank. This can be changed by using the search function and by typing in the name of the person you're looking for. I'm going to search Darren. To add him as a contact, simply right click and add to contacts. To add a new contact, go over to Contacts, New Contact, and type in the person's name. And then press save. Grouping your contacts list based on their job role, or perhaps the company they're calling from, can be really helpful when you're searching for people. You can do this by heading over to the Contacts header and selecting New Group. I'm going to call this one Sales. To add one of your contacts to the group, all you have to do is right click, add to group, and sales. So you can now see that Darren is in the sales team and John is just in my contacts. You can make these pages bigger or smaller and expand them when you need to use them. Over time, your contact list is going to get bigger. So to keep track of important people, what you'd want to do is simply right click, set as favorite, and this ensures that they're always at the top of your list. A good example would be perhaps a boss or a manager from a different company that you might need to contact. Right clicking on the contact will give you a few options, and hovering over the contact gives you options such as chatting with them, calling them through the desk client, and calling them from your handset. Information will bring up their profile, and you can see all the details here. If you wanted to hold a meeting through Horizon, you would do so by pressing the room icon located to the top right. All Collaborate users have their own room and can invite internal company contacts or external contacts to the business. Adding people to your room is very quick and easy. Just right click on the contact you want to add and then click Invite to my room. If the person you're trying to add does not have Collaborate, you can invite them in numerous ways. The first way would be providing a dial-in number. You will want to provide the conference ID as well so that they're able to connect to the room. The two last ways would be either to email the person or copy guest link. Both email and copying the guest link will open a browser that allows your recipients to enter the chat conversation as well as by voice. I'm going to copy the guest link. Head over to my emails, new message, and I'm going to send this to Adam. And now you can see Adam's joined the chat. I'm just going to say hello. You can see here we can have a little conversation, keep ourselves up to date, and keep in mind you can add as many people as you like. Each room can have a maximum of 30 participants. You'll see in the top right hand corner, I can call the group, video call from my desk phone, or screen share. You can see when screen sharing, you can pick a specific application to stream or a different monitor. When you press start sharing, this will share your screen to the rest of the users inside of your room. To remove someone from the group, click on more and dismiss. And to close down your room, it's as simple as pressing the X in the corner here. Your room is now closed.